When it comes to banking, we now have options that extend beyond our local branch. AARP Foundation and Chase have developed free online guides and classes to walk through critical fintech tools, including how to make a remote check deposit, set up account alerts, and recognize scams. This is especially helpful for older adults who can now safely conduct everyday transactions from home or the palm of their hand.
Qué bueno ya estar en casa ahorita de una vez.
Ay, sí,
oh.
Qué bien.
¿Quieres agüita?
Ah, qué bien. Ay, sí, gracias, amor.
Bien.
74-year-old Elsa Romano is a mother of 7 and a grandmother of 17.
Oh. Hola, mi amor, ¿qué tal?
She loves talking with her grandchildren on the phone.
Échame un besito. Muchos besitos. Ándale. I love you.
Elsa also checks her emails and once in a while plays a little solitaire on her tablet. But ask Elsa what else she does on the computer and her phone.
Really, not much. Not much. My son got it to me, and he showed me how to manage with it, but I think that it's overwhelming for me.
That's why Chase is joining forces with AARP Foundation to bring the power of financial technology to older adults across the country.
A lot of older adults, they grew up at a time where you didn't give your social security number to strangers and you didn't give your bank account information out to others. And so this world where we put everything in this phone that someone else can access and hack, it's understandable that that creates barriers of trust on top of the fact of just being uncomfortable knowing how to do something. So there's a trust hurdle and then there's a knowledge gap. And those two things coming together really make it hard for people to lean in to learn. So we built this website to overcome both of those barriers of trust and also help them know that they can do it in a way that they're safe and protected.
A program aimed to help older adults build digital confidence for fintech and social connections. So here's another step-by-step video, how to transfer money using financial technology. Go for it.
Okay.
See?
Muy bien.
For starters, AARP Foundation and Chase are providing free online resources to help older adults manage everyday tasks right from their phone, tablet, or computer.
We have a whole slate of video tutorials that will walk you through step by step. How do you set up an account with your bank online? How do you deposit a check? Ways to check your balance. And there's step-by-step videos that you can follow that you can watch over and over again.
A program that helps people stay in touch with their resources and feel confident about their daily finances, and more importantly, keep them safe from online scammers.
The number one thing to look out for is typos and grammatical errors. If that comes across in an email or even in a letter, don't believe it, it's not from a legitimate company. Number two is that if someone is creating a heightened sense of urgency, like you must respond today or within a set amount of hours, that also creates some concern. A good rule of thumb is think of your email and your phone like you think of your front door. If it's someone that you don't know and you don't recognize, don't respond. And the third is know that your private information, like your passwords, will never be requested from a legitimate company by phone or by email. So if someone's asking you for that information, that's also a flag that they're not legitimate.
Take charge of your digital confidence and financial health safely and easily, right from home or the palm of your hand.
Really, Chase and AARP have come together to help older adults grow their comfort with doing things online.
I really feel happy about the programs that Chase and AARP are giving to us because they make us feel safe at home and we can have control in all of our accounts. We can manage them and we feel good about it.
By the way, these resources are free and are available in English and Spanish. To learn more, head to fintech.aarpfoundation.org or go to our website, designingspaces.tv.